Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Wax paper features a thin, waxy coating on each side that makes it both non-stick and moisture-resistant, though it tends to absorb more water than parchment. It's a great substitute for parchment if you're looking to save money, as parchment paper usually ends up costing twice as much. 16 October 2020.
Take our lead.
Wax paper is safe for many purposes, but it is not safe when you put it into oven. It has a low melting point. So, it will melt in the oven and may make smoke. It also can be attached to your food. 28 October 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Silicone baking pads, often referred to by the brand name Silpat, are a great replacement for parchment paper. Just drop one onto your baking sheet, and whatever you cook or bake on it will come right off. There's no need to grease your pan, and there's very little to clean up afterward. 1 May 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The right answer is no, as wax paper is not toxic, so it won't become toxic after burning. However, try not to use wax paper to bake any bakery items, since the wax paper can melt at high temperatures. That's why you should not use wax paper to bake food.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.